What's up YouTube? My name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. It is freezing cold in here, still. We've had loads of comments, so I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everybody, because it is cool. I'm loving the way that this community is coming together and everybody's chipping in and helping out and stuff. There's loads of comments, you know, loving the channel, loving your work, nice to see it done properly, awesome results, blah 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 blah. And as great as they are, I just wanted to make sure that people understand and get that this is not, and it is never going to be, a how-to channel. I'm never going to do a how-to video. I'm just not. I think, well, although YouTube is an amazing platform, it's the best scrapbook you're ever going to get. And that's why we started doing all this, just as a scrapbook. But there is a ton of channels out there that are promoting stuff as a how-to video and they just haven't got a clue. They haven't got a Scooby. I mean, anything you see on YouTube, right, including anything that you see on here, don't just blindly copy it. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Do a little bit of homework, do some research, see if there's a better way to do it. If you want to copy it, then fine, that's on you. But that's on you, right? It's not a how-to series. You have to view, in my humble opinion, you have to view anything you see on YouTube just as a, that's one way you could do it, kind of thing. Imagine what would happen if you just saw something on YouTube, considered that to be the best way to do it, and just got on and did it. You imagine what you'd turn up with. Oh, that would just be mad. Right, top safety tip for you. Always wear your specs. Always wear your specs, or you're going to get hit in the face with something. I was grinding away here, just cutting this off with my cut-off wheel, and I had my specs on, and there must have been a gust of wind or something, but a bit of it's hit me right there. Can you see? That really hurts. Can you see? Clearly broken. Got another set now. Safety first, whatever. I've had the most amount of fun doing this video out of all of them, I think. It's been hysterical. Just to be clear, there is nothing in that video that I did right. Not a thing. It was all done wrong. Totally, so don't copy any of it. Am I taking the mick out of Del? Yes, I am. I'm not going to start Del bashing because there's enough of that going on without me helping. But I wanted an example which is current and people are talking about it and they're watching it and everything else. But I wanted an example that's just littered with examples of what not to do. And that's a prime one. Everything on that was done wrong. However, all of it is online and available on YouTube, and it's promoted as either a how-to or that it's an acceptable way to do the job, and it just ain't. It ain't. Oh, it's ridiculous. It beggars belief. It really, really does. This is why I'm saying don't copy me, right? Because I think the trap that people fall into is they've got this thing that they want to build or this job that they want to do, and they haven't got the tool to do the job properly. So they MacGyver up some way of getting it done. Yeah, it sort of works some of the time. But because it sort of worked and they got away with it, so they think that's the way that you're supposed to do it. And it just didn't. It didn't. Just any goon can put a video up saying this is how you do this particular job. And that doesn't make them a specialist, it doesn't make them trained or qualified or any of it, it's just that's the way that they did it. And that's how you have to treat the videos that you watch. The only ones that I tend to believe is when it's the manufacturer putting stuff up, like Eastwood. They're quite a good channel actually because it's American and they're promoting all their products and everything else. But whenever they're promoting a tool, they wheel on an expert who's really, really good with it, and he shows you how to do it. And he explains it all and gives you all the tips and tricks. That sort of stuff I would trust. All from someone who's qualified and knows what they're talking about. Not just random Joe Public who shoves up any video and goes, that's the way you do it. You do have to be a bit careful if you're looking at an Evans video though, eh? Anyway, if you think about it, there's some blinding bike builders out there, like Craig Jones and stuff. His work is gorgeous, absolutely cracking. However, even he is saying, don't copy me. This is just the way that I do it. And he's doing it for a reason. But there you go. I mean, that's just my 2 pennies. That's just what I think. If you are a Delboy fan, I am sorry if I've upset you. And like I say, I'm not going to start Del bashing. There's no, yeah, that's not my place. That's going on elsewhere. But just be careful. Don't copy what I'm doing in here because I'm just doing it my way. There's going to be better ways. Go and have a look, see and find them. All right. Anyway, I'm going to call it there because this lot took 8 hours. So I'm going home to do the edit. That's going to be hysterical. But anyway, that's it for today. Take it easy, ride safe, and we'll see you again next time. Oh, I'm going to hell for this. Well, at least I get to meet Matt and Andy, eh?